Alright, y'all, so I'm making a little one meal today because I'm off work. I don't feel like doing no bunch of work, cooking, standing over no stove. So I'm about to put all this shit in one pot and it's about to be love. So what I'm gonna do, I got chicken breast. I love garlic. I got chicken breast, broccoli, and cheese, and y'all better get some top to brown sunshine. Y'all better go get tab, you hear me? When you use this season, you ain't gotta use no salt. No salt, cause I'm supposed to be on a low sodium diet. Cause I have kidney disease, high blood pressure, and hell, what else? So I'm just gonna season that. And then, alright now, so I'm about to cut some peppers and onions up, y'all. So I got an orange onion that I had left over. I'll go ahead and use that before I go bad. Y'all, I'm actually thinking about doing keto. I've been doing a lot of research about it, looking at a lot of different videos. I went from 215 to I'm down to what, like 178, I think, last time I weighed. But I just dropped that by myself, but I'm just trying to get rid of all the sugar. But yeah, I'm gonna try keto. Yeah. Okay, also I got broccoli, y'all. So I got my onions and my peppers cut up. I got my chicken all seasoned. So what's next? Okay, so I'm gonna put my chicken in the pan, start cooking that. Okay, now y'all, I got my chicken in the pan. I think I'm gonna have to transfer it to a bigger frying pan because this too small. I'm gonna transfer it to this one right here in a minute. I'm waiting for this one to get hot back there. But yeah, so let this cook real slow. I don't want it to be all hard. Okay, y'all, the chicken done. It's good. I seasoned it real good, but while it was cooking, I put some coconut aminos up there. That give it like a better taste. I'm waiting for the broccoli to get done. But yeah, it's good. The chicken good. So I'm waiting for the broccoli to get done. And put some cheese and sour cream on it. Alright, y'all. That's how it turned out. And I topped it off with some cheese. And I'm about to put some, what's this? Sour cream over it. Mix it all up. Ooh, it's about to be a good time, honey. Some more sour cream. Let that melt. And I got my low carb meal. And again, this is broccoli, chicken breast, onions, bell peppers, and cheese and sour cream. Just all in one meal.